Hey guys, this is our ABC 123, page 53. It says look at the letter at the beginning of each row, so these letters right here, and say the name of each picture and circle the pictures that begin with that consonant sound. So all of these are consonants. We have no vowels over here. All right, so this is the letter M. M says mm. So let's look for the words, the pictures that have the sound at the beginning. This is a picture of a box. Box. Do you hear at the beginning? No. What about mop? Mop. Do you hear at the beginning of mop? Yes. What about mixer? Mixer. Yes, I hear All right, the next letter is the letter H that says Let's listen and see if we have the letter H or the sound at the beginning. Hot dog. Do you hear at the beginning of hot dog? Yes. What about pen? Pen. Is that the sound at the beginning? Pen. No. What about hat? Hat. Yes. All right. This is the letter S that says S. Let's listen and see if we hear the sound at the beginning of these pictures. Sock. Sock. Yes. What about boy? Boy. Do you hear s? No. What about soap? Soap. Yes, I hear the sound. All right, this is the letter C that says k. Let's look. This is the first picture is a picture of cake. Cake. Do you hear the k sound in cake? Yes. What about the next picture? Cup. Cup. You hear the k sound? Yes. What about boy? Boy. Nope. Good job, guys.